Smolly's Maths, 26th of January. Music's underway. Hope your music's going well. And let's move on to question one. Question one. Right. Solve. X over 2 minus 3 equals 7. Right. So we just follow the rules and we've got to get x on its own to solve this equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the 3 to the other side. So we're going to go x over 2 equals, so we're going to take that 3, move it to the other side, is 7. If you move 3 to the other side, you have to change the operand, so it's 7 plus 3. So now we've got x over 2 equals 10. Now if we divide x by 2, just scroll up a little bit. If we divide x by 2, we need to multiply the other side by 2. So to take that 2 and put it on the other side, we'd say x equals 10. So we move that over the other side there, like that, times 2. So the answer would be x, 2 10s, equals 20. There you go. We just followed the steps and we found out what x was. Hope that helps. Let's move on to the next question. A cuboid. A cuboid is a 3D shape. It has a length, a breadth, and a height. So we've got to work out the volume of the cuboid. I've been very kind here. Question 2, work out the volume of the cuboid. So the volume equals length times breadth times height. So let's work it out. Let's put V down here. V equals the length. The length is 9 times the base, which is 2, times the height, which is 3. So the volume will equal 2 times 9 is 18. 3 18s are 50, 54, but it's not just 54, it's 54 centimeters, and because it's volume, it's cubed. So that's it really. So once you know your formula, you can work it out, which is volume equals length times breadth times height, and make sure you put your answer in centimeters cubed. Let's move on to the next question. Calculate the actual distance from C to D. Question 3. Scale factor of 1 centimetre equals 100 kilometres. That means if you've got a map and you look at a map in a book and it's 1 centimetre, that represents 100 kilometres in the real world. So we've got a line here, it says C to D, and it's 3.4 centimetres. So basically, if we want to know what the distance is, we would, in the real world, we would go 3.4 times 100, because it's 100 kilometres in the real world. And the answer to that is 3 340 km for kilometers. So it's so that represents 340 kilometers on the map that you're looking at. Quite a long way, isn't it? 340 kilometers. I think that's quite a long way. Let's move on to the next question. Right. All about the money and how much it weighs. So question 4. The weight of a 2p coin, which is 7 grams. Find out the weight of £8 worth of 2p coins. Give your answer in kilograms. Right, so basically, how many 2p coins have we got in £8? Well, so let's do a little. So £1 equals 100 pennies. And we've got £8. We've got eight of those. So basically, we've got 800. We've got 800 pennies. How many 2p coins in 800? So if we divide that by 2, that gives us 400. So we know there's 400 2 pences in £8. So, but what does that weigh? So if we got 400 and we times that by 7, which is the grams, we'll find out the total weight of the £8. And the answer to that is 2,800 grams. Right. But we don't want our answer in grams, we want it in kilograms. So how many grams are in a kilogram? So how many grams are in a kilogram? So one kilogram equals, do you know your grams and kilograms? 1,000 grams. So 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So to get this answer in kilograms, we just need to move the decimal point 3 places to the left, like that. So the answer will be 2.8 kilograms. So there's your answer. So if you just go through the steps, you should be able to work it out. Make sure you get the units and understand the difference between grams and kilograms. There's 1,000 grams in a kilogram. So that's your weight of £8 worth of 2p's. So that's quite a lot, really. I mean, if you can imagine, that's probably nearly just under 6 bags of flour. Imagine carrying that about in your pocket. Okay, let's move on to question 5. Question 5. Oh, right. This is all to do with degrees and angles. Question 5. Find out the size of angle Y. So we're given some straight lines and we've got some angles in there, and we've got a missing angle of Y. And the straight lines cross each other and give you a sort of triangle. So we can use all of our rules. We know in a straight line there's 180 grams in 180 degrees in a straight line. So so if we look at the left here, we've got 151 degrees. It's on a straight line, so we can find the missing angle for that. So if we put 180 minus 151 1, that's going to equal 29. So the missing angle up here is going to be 29 degrees. And that doesn't actually help us, but we know we've got a triangle in the middle here. We know that all angles, if in a triangle, add up to 180 degrees. So we have got 93 and 29. So a triangle, we've got the triangle in the middle there. I'm going to write this down the bottom here. I'm going to put the triangle. Equals 180 minus, so we got the 93 plus 93 plus the 29. So if we do that on the calculator, we can find out the missing angle there is 58. So we can put that missing angle in there. 58. Now we've got 58 plus y is going to equal 180. So we know what y is going to, we know how to get y now, don't we? Because that's a straight line across the top here. So y equals 180 minus 58. So y equals, and the answer to y, it's going to be 1, 2, 2, and it's degrees, because we must put degrees in there. So let's draw a sort of a circle around there, and we'll put it on the 1, 2, 2, and there you are, some more marks for the exam. Just a matter of going through the steps, understand angles in a straight line, angles add up to in a straight line, and understand what degrees add up to in a triangle. If you know those rules, and it's just remembering them, practice remembering them, you will be able to answer those questions. Right, that's it for another day of Molly's Maths. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you again soon. Let me know what music you've been playing, if it's helping, and if the music's not helping, try some other music. But that's it from me, and have a nice day.